Think about the last time you saw a cone. Maybe an orange traffic cone diverting traffic, or a scoop of ice cream perfectly balanced. It's one of the most fundamental shapes in our world, and it's governed by a simple, elegant rule that connects it forever to another shape, the cylinder. Picture a cylinder, like a can of soup. It has a flat circular base and straight sides. A cone shares that same circular base, but its sides taper upwards to a single point, called an apex. Here's the beautiful part. If a cone and a cylinder have the exact same base and height, the cone will hold precisely 1/3 of the cylinder's volume. Always. It's called the rule of 1/3. It's the same principle that applies to pyramids and prisms. The math to unlock this is surprisingly straightforward. The volume is 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. The key is to use the vertical height, the perpendicular distance from the base to the apex, not the slant height along the edge. Just square the radius, multiply by the height and pi, and then divide by 3. This isn't just a classroom exercise. This calculation is used every day. It helps engineers design industrial hoppers, those massive funnels on the bottom of silos that ensure grain flows out smoothly. It allows geologists to estimate the volume of rock and ash inside a volcano to better predict eruption impacts. It even determines the material cost for a humble traffic cone. And when precision matters most, we leave our answer in terms of pi, like 500 pi cubic meters. This isn't just for show, it's an exact value with no rounding errors. So from a volcano to a party hat, the cone is more than just a shape. It's a testament to a fundamental rule of volume, a perfect tapering that shows up everywhere once you know where to look.